Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish Math Television. All right, graphing inequalities on the number line, picking up where we left off. Okay, 12, 14, 21. Okay, so write this down in your notebook. So what do all these mean? So these are inequalities. It means there's more than one answer. There's a range of answers. So this left hand less than x is less than -1. X is any value that's less than -1. That's what that means. This is not left hand, so this is right hand. So this is x is greater than. Highlight that. 2. Anything that's greater than 2. Not 2 itself, but anything greater than 2, like 2.1 or 2.001 or 3 or 4 or 4.5, all those things. So this is also left hand. So this is x is less than, we'll highlight that, I forgot that, or greater, less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to. So that line underneath means it's equal to 3. So 3 works as well as anything less than that. And this is x is some number is greater than or equal to -5. There we go. So any number that is equal to -5, like -5 or greater, like -4, like 0, like 5, like a million, all those work. Okay? So these are all the things you might see. So let's graph them. The first one, example 1. X is less than -1. So this is what we're going to do. Draw a number line. I'll put -1 here to start. Then I'll put anything that's greater than that. So it'd be 0, 1, 2, -2, -3. Remember, it's like a mirror. So 0, 1, 0, -1, 0, 1, 2, 0, -1, -2, etc. Okay? So this is less than, because it's my left hand. So it's also an open circle because -1 is not a solution. It's just anything that is less than that. And so these are all the numbers that are less. Go to the left. So x could be -1.1. It could be -2, it could be -100. Anything that's less than -1 but not equal to it. And that open circle means not equal to it. All right, let's try this one. Let's graph it. Example 2. X is greater than 2. All right, let's draw our number line. Put 2 in the middle. 3, 4, 5, 1, 0, -1, etc. Okay, so it's greater than 2. So 2 is not a solution, so it's an open circle. And then anything greater than that. So x could be 2.01, because that's greater than 2. It could be 3, it could be 4.256, it could be 1,000.4, etc. Any of those things. It doesn't have to be just a number on a number line. It can be any numbers. So a huge range of numbers. All right, example 3. X is less than or equal to, let's put 0 there. Okay. So 0 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Boom. Okay. Less than or equal to 0. All right, so it's equal to 0, so I can put it a closed circle there, and anything less is to the left. So these are all the numbers that are less, because left hand is less than. All right, so x could be 0, because this equals 0. Could be -1.4. Could be -2, could be -6.64, whatever. Any number that is 0 or negative or less than 0. Because less than 0 are all negative, right? Cool. All right, last one. See if you can do it yourself. Example 4. X is greater than or equal to -5. Try this one. All right, graph it. X could be blah, blah, blah. Go ahead. Go. All right, see what you got. So put -5 here. So less would be -6, -7, -8, because I'd rather owe $5 than owe $6, owe $7, owe $8, etc. Owing $4 is better. Owing $3 is better than that. Owing $2 is better. Owing $1 and then owing nothing is even better than that, right? So X is greater than, so it's not less than, so it should be greater than or equal to. Boom. So greater than is to the right. So all the values going here forever. This arrow means it goes forever, all the way infinity, all the way over there. So X could be -5, X could be 0, X could be 1,000, any of those. You keep going. Great job. Keep working hard. Excellent work. Work on the stuff for Mr. Harrington and Coach Taylor and crush the exit ticket. Good work.